Hello students, standard 7. As we know that we are doing the chapter 11, perimeter and area. Also we started exercise 11.2. Now question number 4, in which the measures of some values are given and some of them are missing. We have to find the missing values. In first, it is for the triangle. For triangle. Now base is given and height we have to find. Base B is given 15 centimeter. Height H we have to find, and area of triangle is given, that is 87 centimeter square. Now we know the formula of area for the triangle. So 1 by 2 into B into H is equal to 87. So value of B is given as 15 centimeter multiplied by H. So now H is equal to 87 multiplied by 2 divided by 15. So 1 by 2 into B into H. So 1 by 2 into 15 into H. So here we can do the multiplication and then division, because we can do the first cancellation. 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are. So now 29 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. 29 multiplied by 2 is 58, and 58 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So 11.6. So H is equal to 11.6 centimeter. So the formula is known, then whatever is missing we can easily find out. In the second question, here given the base we have to find. Height is given. Height H is equal to 31.4 centimeter, and area is given. Area of triangle is given as 1256 millimeter square. Here not centimeter but millimeter, and area is given as 1256 millimeter square. We will do here therefore 1 by 2 into base into height is 1256. So 1 by 2 into B into height is given 31.4 is equal to 1256. So B is equal to 1256 multiplied by 2 divided by 314 divided by 100. 100 we can put on the top. Now cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Now we can try with 157, 8 7s are 56. So you get 1256. So 8s are. So now B is equal to 8 multiplied by 100, that is 800 millimeter. Or you can write down as centimeter, like divide by 10, so 80 centimeter. But not necessary, you can write down this answer also, not wrong, because here they are given in millimeter, so you can use the, no, we make a mistake here, it must be 10, not 100, because there is only one decimal. So here it will be 80 millimeter. So 80 millimeter is 8 centimeter. Now the C, third one. In third one, also base B is given. Base is given 22 centimeter. Height we have to find. And area of triangle is given 170.5, 170.5 centimeter square. So 1 by 2 into B into H is equal to 1705 upon 10. So 1 by 2 into 22 into H is equal to 1705 upon 10. So H is equal to 1705 upon 10 multiplied by 11. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are. Now 341 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33 and 11 1s are 11. So 31. So H is equal to 31 divided by 2, that is 15.5 centimeter. So your height of the triangle will be 15.5 centimeter. So sometimes you have to find the area, but in some situation the area will be given and one of the base or height will be given and you have to find the missing values. So it is also very simple like this. Now question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height. From Q to SR. From Q to SR. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter, also given that end QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter, find first area of parallelogram, PQRS, and B, we have to find QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. Here the figure is also given. Two altitudes are there, P, Q, R, S. Here it is altitude, here it is altitude, that is 7.6 centimeter. SR is 12 centimeter, QM is 7.6 centimeter, and PS is 8 centimeter. First of all, we will find the area. For area, we have to choose one base and one height. So now you can't choose this base and this height. You have to choose either this base and the height on the same thing, or this base and that height. So here you can see that this two pair is given. This pair is not, only one is given. So we can't use that. Therefore, here base B is equal to SR is equal to 12 centimeter and height H is QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter. So we will use that formula. So area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to half into, which is the base, SR, multiplied the height QM. But here don't make a mistake. Half is only in the triangle. So PQRS is equal to SR multiplied by QM. SR is 12 multiplied by the height is 7.6. So now we will multiply 12 by 7.6. 91.2 centimeters square. Now we will use the same area to find the other height. So now we will take base is PS, that is given 8 centimeter, and we have to find height, that is QN. So now we have to take the same area. So now area of parallelogram is, already we find out, 91.2 centimeter square. So half into, what is the base here, PS, multiplied by QN is equal to 91.2. We have the value of PS, we will substitute. So half into 8 into QN, 91.2. So QN is equal to 91.2 divided by 4. So now we have to divide 912. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. But it was 91.2, so we will put 22.8 centimeter. So first we have to find the area, and taking the same area, but we have to take a set of another base and height, so that we can find the area like this. So now here question 6 you can do for the homework, because it is same like the question 5. Only little difference is that the area will be given and you have to find the corresponding height or the base. Now here in question 7, triangle ABC is right angled at A, means here angle A is 90 degree and AD is perpendicular on BC. Now AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter. First we have to find the area. Now that day we saw that when it is a right angled triangle, then the area is the two sides which are making the right angle. The product of that multiplied by 1 by 2. So here triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. In which angle A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by product of two sides forming right angle. So here you can see that angle A is right angle. So with two sides are making it AB and AC. So that is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by AB multiplied by AC. What is AB here? 5 and AC is 12. So 5 multiplied by 12. So 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. So area of a right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by the product of two sides forming the right angle. Now we have to use this another formula, half into base into height, because here we have to find the length of AD also. So now if we take BC as base and AD as height, then area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. But already we find the triangle's area 30. So 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into what is BC? 13 centimeter. And AD we have to find, so we will write down AD. Therefore 30 multiplied by 2 divided by 13, that is equal to AD. So 1 by 2, 30 to the 60. So 60 upon 13. So here AD will be, it can be in the mixed number also. 4 integer 8 upon 13 centimeter. So here the 1 by 2 into 5 into 12, so 30 centimeter square, and then from the same area we took the different base and the height on it. So you get the answer like that. Now the question 8, that are also simple, then you can do it as a homework, because in that also very simple given. So here we are going to finish the video, followed by the PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.